Thank you so much! I think I'm gonna see a sports car today.
Si Kay nga yan, sabi niya sa akin kanina, nilulook up niya daw, nilulook up niya tayo ni Reyna. Sabi ko, bakit Reyna yung tawag mo sa kanya? Wow!
Bakit nga?
Di ko alam.
Kay, why do you call me Reina? English ba siya?
Hindi, Pinay.
Sorry.
Kasi ibang bahay si Ward. Nasa taas lang siya.
Nasa taas lang ako. Thank you so
Thank
much.
you, JR!
Thank you so much, Kay. Thank you
Thank you,
so much.
JR!
Alam mo, Kay, parang feeling ko, patingin ako ng sports car. Can I see a sports car tonight? Parang dala yung good vibes ko. Grabe, sobrang happy ko kasi ang tagal, I forgot the last time that I entered Kumu's campaign. Sobrang tagal na. So I'm very much happy every time I enter because it's really hard this day sa Kumu talaga.
Totoo yan.
4 days of campaign? Nakapasok ako! Oh my gosh! Yes!
Mahirap na labanan ngayon sa Kumu eh.
Yeah.
Thank you, JR!
Thank you.
Thank you so much po.
Wala, nandun si Jer. Mahirap kalaban yan, mahal. Feeling ko, ilalaban niyo ako. Magpapa-sports car na kayo. Sports car! Oh my gosh, are you part of the ward fam?
Me?
Yeah?
Yeah!
Oh my gosh, so you're part of my family?
Yeah!
Yeah, firefly heart.
That's why I'm wearing this filter because I'm part of your family.
Yeah, you're
I'm your number one fan.
you're the number one ward fam.
Yeah, I'm the number one fan.
Oh my gosh, thank you so much. You know what? I like your earrings. Where'd you get that?
This one, I thought it's Jejemon.
The other one. It's nice. That one is nice. The other one is Jejemon.
This one is nice.
Yeah. Can I borrow the other one?
This is a sword.
Yeah, it's so nice.
Thank you.
You're wow. It's nice. Hi. Alam, mukhang matatalo tayo dito. Mahal, hindi tayo magpapatalo dapat. Pakita niyo malakas kayo.
JR.
Gusto ko yung gusto ko yung...
She said to her team that they should win.
No, she's also in my team. JR is also in my team, you know.
Right now she's here, so she's part of my team.
Oh, but she can transfer here.
No, don't transfer. Don't betray me. You betray me.
Ay, huwag tayo magpapatalo. Hindi tayo magpapatalo sa dahil nagpapa-ward fam siya. Meron siyang butterfly. Hindi pwede.
Guys, let's not lose this fight. Come on.
We were gonna win because we were gonna win strike today.
Di ba you love me? So if I win, you win too.
Because you love me. So if I win, you win too. Let's win together.
Yeah, let's win together.
A ka muna, A ka muna, A.
A ka muna, A. A ka muna, A. A ka muna, A ka muna, A ka muna, A, A, A. Guys, wag kayo magpapadala sa sayaw niya. Alam kong hot, pero dapat tayo yung manalo, guys.
So you find me hot.
Yes, of course. Ikaw muna. Wow! Wow! Ikaw muna, A! Ikaw muna, A! Ikaw muna, ikaw muna, ikaw muna, A! A! A!
How can I win that? How can I win that? It's 10K! How can I win that?
Ikaw muna, A! It's okay, baby! You win too because I win, right? You love me, right? Ikaw muna, A! Ikaw muna, A!
Mahal, tinalo tayo, mahal!
Ikaw muna, A! Ikaw muna, A!
Tignan mo pag natalo yan. Let's see this time. Let's see. Tignan natin kung mag-A ka muna, A ka muna.
Thank you so much, JR!
JR, thank you so much. Oh, she wants more because she wants to win
Thank
again.
you so much, JR! Ikaw muna, A! Ikaw Don't cry, my little one. You win as well because I win.
Okay, I want to win this time as well because she will win as well.
Ikaw muna, A! I'm so happy. Thank you so much, JR.
Thank you so much, JR. Thank you so much. A ka muna, A. Asa na si Kay? Sana magpa-sport. Paano kung ang ibagsak sa akin ay hindi, hi, Danica, hindi sports car, kung hindi future encounter. Woo!
Thank you, Ali!
Manriza, thank you. Oh my goodness.
Sabi ni JR, CJ, get on your flight. Yeah, she's in the airport right now.
Oo, ata yun, tumatakbo na ata yun kanina eh.
Eh?
Asan ba? Andyan ba si Mahal ngayon?
2 a.m. pa yung flight niya eh.
Ewan ko, hindi ko alam. Thank you, Manriza.
CJ, get on your flight. You're still here.
Andyan ba siya? Hi, Mahal!
Thank you, Cherry. Thank you, Ali.
Thank you so much.
Ika muna, eh. Ika muna, eh.
Parang feeling ko, hindi na tayo huwag tayo magpatalo. Ito naman. Hi,
Oo nga, huwag ko tayo magpatalo, guys.
mayabang ka pa nga.
O hindi. Ginaano ko lang, yung team ko. Hina-hype ko lang. If you win, I win as well, mahal. Let's win together, right?
Let's go! Eh, wala nagda-drop.
Thank you, Jackie!
Hi, Rika! Gusto mo fan sign, ganun?
Ano fan sign? Why are you like that? Oh, they have secret.
Wow! Wow! Thank you so much, JR!
What's that? JR! You betrayed me!
More!
Desire that you never feel so
More!
Sorry, your heart, yeah.
JR, more,
Touch
JR,
the
more.
heart. When we were together, love you with your words.
Yes. Let's go. More, can I have more, JR?
I feel betrayed right now.
Can I see more? JR, can I see more? JR, can I see more? Let's make her cry.
I'm sorry.
Let's go! Wait lang, ano ba hindi ko pa nakikita?
You betrayed me. You gotta that you never feel so.
Thank you, JR! More! Papasayain ako, tapos mapalungkotin.
Ika muna, A. Ika muna, A. Ika muna, ika muna, ika muna. You betrayed.
Thank you so much, JR. Let's go.
That's a very, very,
Nabuang na. Oh my gosh. Let's go more. Ooh.
Hi, Miss Wine. Girl, you make a wine. Girl, you make a wine.
Oh, anong pangalan? Sige, pa-fan sign tayo. I'm gonna make a fan sign because someone is requesting for a fan sign.
And now you're back. How does it feel to betray me? Ika muna, A. Ika muna, A.
Not betraying you because she's also supporting me.
No, I'm just joking. I'm very happy for you. I'm really.
What's the name for the fun?
Thank you, JR. Thank you for the donuts. Thank you for the donuts.
Anong name? Cell? Okay.
Thank you so much, JR. Ika muna, A. Ika muna, A. Ika muna. Excuse me.
Cell what?
Can you fan sign me as well?
Later.
Later? Why later?
Cell
Hi,
good.
Zai.
What? Good yo?
Nagawa mo?
Yung fan sign.
Maliwanag masyado. 4! Let's go, snipe! 2! 1!
Oh my gosh, that's 3K and I won. I thought you're gonna win.
It's okay. If you win, I win too. Congrats
Yay.
to us! Yay!
Merry Christmas!
Merry Christmas and a happy New Year!
Wait, I'm just writing the fun sign because...
Let's rematch. Let's rematch.
Alright. Wait.
Last PK and then I'm gonna end my live.
Sige.
This is my last PK and then I'm gonna go end my live. So everyone is a winner in this. Yes! We're all in this together. Chara boom, chara ka, any dream ka. Except for my bank. Sabi ni JR, everyone is a winner in this except for my bank.
Oh, I'm so sorry, JR. Can we do the CPR in your bank?
Can we do this? Beep.
Can I do this? Sel Gojo, here. Your fan sign.
Wow! Very high school. Ay, elementary yung fan sign na. Nagko-fan sign ka ng elementary, mahal?
Hindi naman uso yun nung fan sign. Magpa-fan sign ka lang pagka sikat ka, di ba?
Maybe I'll magically hit the lottery. Maybe.
No, if you don't magically hit, you need to buy tickets for it.
Yeah. Maybe she's buying tickets.
No, she told me she's not buying tickets. That's why I think today is gonna be your day.
Today is gonna be your lucky day because today you will see $100,000 in a park. So go to a park right now.
She asked me if what will I do if I have one if I'll win or I'll have a $1 million. $1 million.
$1 million.
It's 58 million here in the Philippines.
Yeah. Oh, what are you gonna do with the 58 million pesos?
So I told them earlier that I'm not gonna give it to charity because I'm gonna do the charity. Because I'm not sure if I'm gonna give some money to charity, I'm not sure if they will gonna give it to the people who needs it. So what I'm gonna do is, since that's what I'm doing, I'm doing charity for people, especially for children. I'm gonna do a charity and then, like, I don't know if how many, but I'm gonna help other people, the less fortunate people. And then second, I'm gonna invest it in a business because the more income I have, the more people that I'm gonna help. I'm gonna help people if I'm gonna have a passive income, right? And
Yeah.
third is I'm gonna help the people who are supporting and loving me, especially my family. And fourth, if I still have money, I'm gonna buy my own house because that's one of my dreams. So my wants are gonna be the least priority.
So if ever if someone will give me $1 million, I'm gonna disappear. I'm gonna disappear with you, and then I'm gonna change our name. Charis. Just kidding. If someone will give me $1 million, of course, I will buy anything and everything I need and I want. And then after that, of course, I'm gonna put my priorities first before helping others because that's a 1 in a million lifetime. 1 in a million opportunity. And then after that, and after I buy our house, after I buy our needs, the businesses and stuff, and then after that, I will do something to help others, like company, so that they will have opportunities and work and stuff. And then if ever there will be calamities, then I will go there to help others, because we still have to put something in the bank. Because after that, we don't know what will happen next. Right? What's witness protection?
Parang,
Sabi, build financial stability, then share. Yeah, that's what I want. To build financial stability before I share the wealth that I receive. Because after that, we don't know what's gonna happen next, right? What?
well, mine is helping other people first, and then the second part of my list is building a business. That's part of business, building my financial stability before spending it to the things that I want, I guess.
when you say building financial stability, it's like doing something to expand your money, right? Like how are you gonna make it triple, quadruple, and stuff? And when you say helping others, it's not just like you're gonna give it to them. You can build a company so that they can work for you, and then they will receive salaries monthly, like that. It's a way of helping as well, and then it's also a way of expanding your financial kinemberlu.
Yeah, it's my second part. After having a charity, building a business is the second one, so that I can have a passive income, so that
Asset.
other people. So we have different different mindset when it comes to that. She wants to spend her money first on the things she wants, and she
Like what are the things that I want? I want to build a house. It's not just a want.
balas
It's a
mo na
need.
yun.
Ah?
Kala ko balas mo na yun.
Ay, kasi nagkukwentuhan pa tayo eh.
Ano?
Hindi, last na mag-end na ako. So guys, I'm gonna end my live. Mag-live ka pa ba?
Mga ano pa. Mag-end ako ng 1.
Alright, so bye-bye.
Bye-bye, baby.
Bye-bye, baby. Akit na rin ako dun may
Sige.
Bye-bye.
I love you.
Good luck, bye-bye.
Yeah. Hi, my name is no. My time is no. My number is no. You need to let it go. You need to let it go now to the no, no, no. Untouchable, 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 untouchable. Hi, Marisa. Hi, Rika. Fan sign, mahal next time na kasi hindi ito pang fan sign na notebook pang listahan ko kasi ito eh. Sell Gujo. Untouchable. Yes po, in a relationship po kami. Magjowa po kami. We are in a relationship. We are in a relationship. What if we rewrite the stars? Da-da-da-da-da-da-da. Nothing can keep us above. To fly. It's up to you. And it's up to me. Ilang years na noon ko pa. Ano po? 18 months. Mahal ka mo sa tabi mo. Okay na po. Hello, King Bob. It's up to you. Thank you so much, Sweet Jen, for following me. It's up to you. It's up to me. Ta-da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da. Rewrite the stars. Nanonood ka ng PBB? Hindi po. Kagagaling ko lang sa Kumu Live mo. Thank you so much, your love. Nasa baba siya. Hi, Rhea Ray. Welcome to my live. Nothing can save me so far. Da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da. It's up to you. It's up to me. Joke lang yun. Joke lang yung 1 week walang live. Hindi ko alam eh.
It's Vito, baby. Thinking about ways to make you mine. Followed your Instagram, so I know you got time. See, you've been working, putting in overtime. I'm not trying to press you, but girl, you stay on my mind. Just being honest.
Hi, Kay! Nandito lang pala. Hay nako, huwag niyo ako pinapakilig. Alam niyo, sobrang kinikrave ko talaga makakita ng sports car tonight. Ay. Hi, mahal! Ba't ka tumatakbo kanina? Nakakainis ko. Nakakainis ko po nga. Hi, PJ! Miss you too! Late ka saan? Tapos sarado yung lounge pala. Bakit? Bakit sarado? Hindi ba to pa yung ano mo? Ah. Pero to pa naman yung ano mo, diba? Kara, thank you so much.
I'll keep up with everything. Birthdays, anniversaries. Notice whenever you mad. When you start slacking, I get on your ass.
Hindi na po masakit yung chan ko. Thank you, Lord. Ang cute ni Moshi, no? Okay. Mahalaga hindi ka maiiwan ng flight. Happy birthday! Happy birthday po, mahal. Hi, JR! Welcome back to my live. How are you? Feeling ko, gusto ko makausap si Kay eh. Ba't ka tumawa? Make Bowie soon can't recharge. Ay! It's okay. Thank you so much, Kay. Saan mo kami nakita? Nahiya tuloy ako. Ay, welcome sa live ko pala. First time kitang nakita sa live ko. Tama ba? Is this the first time na nakita ka sa live ko or no? How was your run? Kaya nga, I think she ran for the food. First time kitang nakita. First time mo din dumaan sa live ko? Anong sabi mo? Hindi ko kasi kanina nagets ang sinabi ni Mahal eh. It was good. Ba't ka nga tumatakbo, Mahal? Sorry, kay lahat ng nanonood and sumusuport sa akin or sa amin, tinatawag ko talagang Mahal. So, baka manibago ka na tinatawag kitang Mahal or tinatawag ko silang Mahal. Si Moshi nasa baba kasi pinapakain ko yun kanina. Kailan? Anong ikaw din? Ikaw din, oo, lahat kayo mahal. Pag ito nakita ako sa personal, malulusaw ako. Hoy, hindi na. Grabe naman sa paglusa. As in, naging fan agad ako. Ala, thank you so much, Kay. Saan mo kami nakita? Nagmamadali ako kasi nag-build up na yung line sa immigration. Oo, mahal. Pero maaga pa naman eh. Madami ka pang time para malate. Hindi, joke lang. Malo ka magpapalate Hi, Danita! Naging ice cream na lusaw. Hindi ka malulusaw for today's video. Okay? Let's just be honest. Ta-na-na-na-na. Hindi pwede maiwan to. Hindi pwede. Hindi ka maiiwan, mahal. Let's just be honest. Ta-da-da-da. Hello po. Season 2 po ako nandoon. Hi, mahal! Nasa baba. Bakit eh? Kasi ward Reynalyn. Tsaka may tumatawag talaga sa akin, Reyna. Kanta ka ng sining, mahal. Sige. Kantahan ko kayo. Patingin ako ng sports car, ha? Ang craving ko for today's video ay sports car. Hi from LU. Hi from LU. Welcome to my live. I'm gonna sing this Filipino song called Sining. Wow, may pag ganun Hindi ko talaga to alam. Makakita ba ako ng sports car pagka kumanta ako? Flower until they bloom. Like my first I'm living life the day I met you. Hate to think that humans have to die someday. 1,000 years won't do. Wonder of love, even though I'm scared. to love. Baby, I know the pain is unbearable. There's no way. Pinsala'y ikinamada. Pinipiling may silamang ka. Turn my life. Ikaw ay tila siling sa museong di naluluma. Binibini kong ginto hanggang kaluluwa. Gonna keep you like a ricochet all my life. Kung sa tingin mo na ang oras mo'y lumipas na, huwag patuloy na mararahulo sa ganda. I still kiss you every single day all my life. Hi, Nick! If I could paint a perfect picture. Thank you so much for following me. Thank you so much. Oh, Venom did you like a symphony? The masterpiece. Ito na lang. Change song. Crush na kita, cool. Crush mo na ako. Oh my gosh. Thank you so much. You can request a song if you want, or if you can ask question if you want. Ta. Singer. I see you with her, and it crashes me inside. Guess I should have stopped thinking about you all the time. Baby, this is what I needed. I'm taken, not taken for granted. I've been blind to reality. Baby, tell me every little glance my way. Every time you wanted to hate, you seem so interested. Could you tell me, was it real or was it all in my head? Whoa, was it real or was it all in my head? Pretty, you two look so great. Time for me to move on now. It was probably just a silly crash anyway, but I just can't help but think that we could have had something. I've really been blind to reality. Baby, hi mahal. Every little glance my way. Ano yun? Anong kanta? Sandali, kantahin mo. Ano yun? Ano yung sandali? Okay, honest. Nick, you can watch our vlogs on my YouTube channel and also here on my TikTok account. Oh, to my main account, it's Ward_Reynalyn. Yeah. It's kind of crazy there. Why? There's a lot of people. Hi, Kate. Kate, thank you so much for sharing my life. Palagi. You want me to sing palagi? Ano yung palagi? Hindi. Hi, mahal! Rosalia pala to eh. TJ Monterde. Wait lang. I'm just gonna check if I know the song. If I can sing the song. For sure I know the song, but I don't know if I can. No. It's not my genre. Ilang beses na rin. Yes, I have two accounts. This is Ward the second, so it means this is my second account. I'm more active on my main. It's Ward_Reynalyn. Ward Reynalyn on Kumu. Yeah. But this is my second account. Hindi ko talaga, I'm not aware that ito yung na live ko ngayon. Pero since madami naman kayo kanina, kaya hindi ko na siya in-live. Sa huli, palagi babalik pa rin sa yakan hanggang sa huli. mababa eh. Masyadong mababa. Hi, Cheska! Ulit-ulitin man, nais kong malaman. Alam niyo yung ano nga yung favorite ni R2? Ano nga yung favorite? I forgot. Ano nga yun? Kantahan ko na lang kayo ng Serena. This is a Filipino rap song. It's been a while. Huh? Tama ba yun? Hoy. Dito yun. Serenay. Waiting on your new vlogs. I'm gonna be having I think I'm gonna post a Macau vlog and a little surprise for you guys and a surprise for my baby. Yes, I'm fine. My tummy is not hurting anymore. Thank you so much. Ako'y isang sirena. Kahit anong sabihin nila, ako ay ubod ng ganda. Ako'y isang... Thank you so much, mahal. Mahal open yung live habang nasa... Ano sabi? Hindi naman ako naririnig for sure. Siyempre, i-question yun. Bakit may maingay? Drum na may tubig ang sinisisid. Tumitik-tik, drum na may tubig ang sinisisid sa patagal ng paghinga. Sa akin kayo ay bibilib. Simula pa nung bata pa ako, halata mo na kapag naglalaro. Karapayang lahat ay nalilito. Magaling sa Chinese, Carter at Pico. Mga labi ko'y pulang-pula sa bubblegum na sinapa. Palakad-lakad sa harapan ng salamin. Sinasabi sa sarili anong pa naman nila habang kumikimbot ang bewang. Mga hikaw na gumigewang gamit ang pulbos na binili kay Alibebang upang na matakpan ang mga pasa sa mukha. Galing sa akin naman na tila di natutuwa sa tuwing ako'y nasisilayan. Naging nalalatayan sa paglipas ng panahon na hindi ko namamalayan na imbis na tumigas ay tila lalo lumambot ang pusong mapagmahal. Mamamatay ako ha. Ulit. Nawala ako ng ingay. Ha. Sige, isa pa. Simula pa nung bata pa ako, halata mo na kapag naglalaro. Kaya parang lahat ay nalilito. Magaling sa Chinese, Carter at Pico. Mga labi ko'y pulang-pula sa bubblegum na sinapa. Palakad-lakad sa harapan ng salamin. Sinasabi sa sarili anong pa naman nila habang kumikimbot ang bewang. Mga hikaw na gumigewang gamit ang pulbos na binili kay Alibebang upang matakpan ng mga pasa sa mukha na galing sa aking ama na tila di natutuwa sa tuwing ako'y nasisilayan. Naging nalalatayan sa paglipas ng panahon na hindi ko namamalayan na imbis na tumigas ay tila lalo lumabot ang puso kong mapagmahal. Parang pilik matang kulot. Ano gusto? Sports car! Charis! Hoy, isang Serena. Isa lang yung kulay ng sports car dito, color pink eh. Ang sinisisid. Yung tunay, gusto mo, yung tunay, I think I would love a color beige, I guess. Because black, white, and red and silver, very common yung color niya. So if ever I'm gonna be having a car or whatever, I think it's gonna be a beige, brown, or unique color, or hindi siya like yung sobrang common pero maganda. Blue. It depends. I think I would love a color beige or brown. Light brown, not the brown one. Kamusta stomach ko? My stomach is doing great. Okay na ako, mahal. Thank you so much. Hi, princess! Happy birthday! Or hello sa'yo if it's not your birthday, hello. Yellow, pwede din yellow. Mustard, ganon. Para transformer style. Not the like yung yellow na yellow. Yung parang medyo goldish, yung hindi common, ganon. Yes, sir. Bakit? Ba't mo tinatanong? Hindi na po. Thank you so much for asking. All goods. Eto. I'm gonna sing this song. CJ, hi! No! Someone asked me about the car. Nasa baba siya. But you guys can give me a sports car here. Yeah. Yeah, you can grab a sports car if you want. That's what I'm craving tonight. Nakament, mahal check. Sige, mahal. Mamaya. I'm not as rich as you. Oh my gosh. Easy come, easy go. It's just wanna take it all, but you'll never give. Should've known you were trouble from the first kiss. Had your eyes wide open. Why were they open? Gave you all the head. You tossed it in the trash, you did. To give me all your love is all I ever ask. 'Cause what you don't understand for you. Throw my head on the plate for you. I jump in front of a train. You know I'll do anything for you. Oh, I will. All this pain. Take a bullet through my brain. Yes, I would die for your word found. I hope you'll do the same. No. Black and blue. Beat me till I'm numb. Tell the devil I said, hey, when you get back to where you're from. Bad woman, just what you are. Yeah, your smile in my face and rip the brakes out my car. Gave you all the head and tossed it in the trash. You tossed it in the trash. You did. To give me all your love is all I ever. 'Cause what you don't understand is I catch a grenade for you. I jump in front of a train. You know I'll do anything for you. I will go through all this pain. Take a bullet shot through my brain. Yes, I would die for you, baby. You won't do the same. If you on fire. Oh, you watch me burn down in flames. You said you love me, you're a liar. 'Cause you never, ever, ever did, baby. But darling, I still got your grenade for you. JR, thank you so much! Oh my god! You know what? You always surprise me. You don't count. You don't ready. You don't say ready. Oh my gosh. Sino naka-record doon? Sino naka-record doon? May naka-record? Pwede ba pa-send? This is story. I'm gonna story that one. Oh my gosh, thank you so much. Oh my gosh. You were busy. Oh, did you say... You said go? I think one... Hi, one more. Okay, I'm gonna sing, but I'm gonna look I'm gonna look here because, you know, someone might... no. I'm just gonna sing fronting here. This pain, take a bullet straight through my brain. Yes, I would die for your baby, but you won't do the same. Mahal, naka-record ka? Sino naka-record? Patingin ako. Oh my gosh. Can you send it to me later, if ever? Wait lang, kakanta pa ako. I'm still gonna sing a song. Because I'm gonna end... I think I'm gonna end at 1:15. 1:15 na lang pala. Okay, wait lang. Hey, Kennel! Thank you! Thank you so much. Ta-da-la-la-la. It's da-da-da-na-na-na-na-na-na. Let's go. More. Hello, Kennel? Kenil? Thank you so much. Wait, kakantahan ko pa kayo. Thank you. Feeling ko si Kenil magpapa-sports car. Thank you so. Hey, Penny, thank you. Kikis ko kayo. Thank you so much. Mahal, pwede pa ulit ng bati na record. Ha? Anong name? Sige, babatiin natin yan. Yeah, let's go. Hindi na ako, sana kapag may magpapa-sports car, magsasabi ng, are you ready? I-record yung mahal, oh. I-record yung magaganto ko later. Pag may nagsabi, are you ready? Because I'm gonna record it. Penny, thank you so much. I'm gonna sing a song for you guys. I know you're somewhere out there, somewhere far away. I want you back. I want you back. My neighbor thinks I'm crazy, but they don't understand. You're all I had. You're all I had. A night with the stars light up my room. I sit by myself, talking to the moon, trying to get to you. Told me to, or am I a fool who sits alone talking to the moon? Woo! I'm feeling like I'm famous, the talk of the town. Bye-bye, mahal! Ingat ka sa pag-board and sa flight and yung gamit mo. Ingat ka, mahal, ah. And the sun goes down, someone's talking back. Yeah, they're talking back. Oh, a night when the stars light up my room. I sit by myself, talking to the moon. To you, and hopes you're on the other side, talking to me too. iniisip ko? Mag-record lang ako. Mahal, mag-record nga kayo. Thank you so much! Mayabang. Mayabang pa sa grab car. Thank you so much. Oh my God. So you call it a grab car, huh? You call it a grab car. Thank you so much. Totoo bang boarding ka na? 105 ka na. Thank you so much. Feeling ko may magpapaisa pa. Hindi ko naman sinasabing si CJ. I'm not telling that it's CJ and JR, but I think someone will drop one more sports car before I end my life. Mahal, feeling ko si ano na yun. Feeling ko si Manriza. Charis. Feeling ko, nararamdaman ko lang. Hi! Thank you so much, mahal. Thank you, grabe. Magbo-boarding na yan, Pero na-manage niya pang magpa-sports car. Hi, Jaiki! Hi! Puyatan na naman, mahal. Oo nga. Hi, A-Hot! Thank you so much. For sure, dati kang nanonood sa akin kasi sabi mo puyatan na naman eh. Hanggang 1:15 lang naman ako. So, I'm gonna end my live at 1:15. So, I still have, how many minutes? 9 minutes. I still have 9 minutes. And I'm gonna sing this song. I'm a fan of Bruno Mars. You're learning slowly. You're learning... What are you learning? Happy Mansari sa inyo, Simple Ann. Sa inyo, Nino. Hi, Jesse. Hi, mga mahal. Welcome to my live. If you ever leave me, baby, leave some morphine at my door. 'Cause it would take a lot of a medication to realize what you... Mag-away kami ngayon, sabihin niyo po ba? Sana magbati na kayo ng jowa mo. There's no religion that could save me. Kay, I appreciate you staying my life. Thank you so much. So keep in mind all the sacrifice that I'm making. Hi guys. To keep you by my side, keep you from walking out the door. 'Cause there'll be no sunlight if I lose you, baby, baby, no. That's what I don't know. I'll ask her. Yeah, she barely put subtitle on her vlogs. So I don't know. I'll ask her. I'll tell her to put subtitle. If you walk away, every day you'll rain. Day, thank you for following me. Jessa, thank you so much. Ba't mahal mo na ako? Thank you, Garcia. Hi, Lai. I'll never be your mother's favorite. Your daddy can't even look me in the eye. If I was in their shoes, I'd be doing the same thing. Saying, let's go, my little girl. Walking with that troublesome guy. Sige, please, send nyo po para i-combine ko. But don't watch me change your mind. And for you, I'll try. And pick up these broken pieces, still I'm bleeding. If that'll make my heart, 'cause there'll be no sunlight if I lose you, baby. There'll be no clear skies if I lose you, baby. 5 minutes more, then I'm gonna end my life. I'll do the same if you walk away. Every day it will rain. Ito. Sino nakakalala ng song na to? The club isn't the best place to find lovers, so where I go. Being my friends at the table, don't shine. Taas ng kuha ko. Masyadong mababa. Girl, you know I want your love. Your love was handmade for somebody like me. Come on now, follow my lead. I may be crazy. Say, boy, let's not talk too much. Cover my waist and put that body on me. Come on now, follow my lead. Come on now, follow my lead. I'm in love with the shape of you. We push and pull like a magnet do. Although my heart is falling too. I'm in love with your body. Last night you were in my room. Now my bedsheet smells like you. Every day is how I read something brand new. I'm in love with your body. Thank you so much, JR. Thank you so much. I really appreciate your support. Oh my gosh. Thank you so much for your support in my Kumu and here on my TikTok account. Thank you so much. Really do appreciate you a lot. And to everyone who watched my live and supported my live on Kumu and here as well on my TikTok. Thank you so much. Every day, guys, I go live on my Kumu account, always 10 p.m. I also stream there, and then after my live, I'm doing my best to live as well here on my TikTok. So thank you so much. Thank you so much, JR. Please take care and work well, and don't let the microscopic bacteria bites you. No, just kidding. Thank you so much. Mahal, ikaw CJ, kung aalis ka na rin, mahal, ingat ka din sa flight mo. Yung bags mo and stuff, alam mo na yon. Ingat, mahal. In 2 minutes, I'm gonna end my live as well because I said I'm gonna end mag-end ako ng 1:15. Galing na. Galing na. Sige, thank you so much, Simple. Thank you. I'm in love with your body. I'm in love with your body. Something brand new. I'm in love with the shape of you. It's ethereal but sad. Girl, you know I want you. Girl, you know I want your love. Your love was made for somebody like me. Come on now, follow my lead. I may be crazy, don't mind me. Say, boy, let's not talk too much. Rub on my waist and put that body on me. Come on now, follow my lead. Come on now, follow my lead. I'm in love with the shape of you. I push and pull like a magnet do. Although my heart is falling too. I'm in love with your body. Last night you were in my room. Now my bedsheets smell like you. Every day discovering something brand new. I'm in love with your body. Hindi. 3 sports car pa daw. Baka naman. Feeling ko may isa pang magpapa-sports car for today's video before I end my life. Feeling ko magka-count ako 10 to 1. 10. I'll count 10 to 1 before I end my life. 10. 9. 8. 7. 6. Last song. Nagkakanta pa ako. Kakantaan ko kayo. Pang inggit. Wake up, ito na yung paborito niyong hate. Nagkalat yung kanta laging naka-playback. Charis, wag na pala. Alam ko mo nawawala ka. Happy birthday sa'yo, princess! Di madali mag-isang ligat. Yan ang sakit na mahirap pagdan. Lunas, 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 lunas. Haters will come. Oh, 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 oh. Lumingon ka, please. Hi! Hello. Hindi na halata? Yung ano, hindi halata, okay lang yan. Yung ano, malasip na. Yes, pa Ano yung hindi halata? Mag-end live na ako. 1:20? O sige, last 3 minutes. Isang song, last song. Ano magandang song? Cebuana. Kakantahan ko na lang kayo ng Cebuana.
To dream the impact speech.
So, may tinignan ako. May nakita kasi ako. Yo, drop your glasses and shake your asses. I wanna get with you when I'm feeling real nasty. Yo, you make me feel like duck in the sound. No, let me all from you. No, no one can do it better like that. Listen to me, baby, like it's slowly like that. Come and pop, let me sing you right back. Wanna be my fat Joe when I sing a limb. Mamacita, nice to meet ya. I could be your mamacita. With the FIFA on, with a blonde, Mr. James, but if you don't get it, oh, you really need a Cebuana. I'm more than a summertime lover. Arriba, arriba, arriba. Grabeha, grabeha, grabeha. Baby, you really need a Cebuana. Yeah, 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 yeah. You really need a Cebuana. You really need a Cebuana. Cebuana padala. Feeling ko din. I think kinanta namin yung audition dati sa group ko. Dirita diriba, dito tahunat, alin na eksistorya so ganong nahuba, delikado ang feeling dato, buntag nangitan na og taho, iguman mo ka o naghalo-halo, ay ko love da, last na lang ka, ay lagi kong atikad di ko madasa, tama na, ayaw pagdali-dali, likay ta sa mga salat, Okay, mag-end live na ako, mahal. Okay, I wanna say thank you again. I know JR's not here anymore, but I wanna say thank you, JR, to everyone who dropped tonight. JR, CJ, mahal, thank you so much. Kay, thank you so much. Manriza, Jamie Lin, and to everyone who dropped tonight na umalis na sa live ko. Nagpahinga na. And to everyone who watched my live tonight, and sa lahat din ng mga nag-support sa akin sa Kumu, thank you so much, mga mahal. Thank you so much, everyone. And ayun, tomorrow ulit, magla-live ulit ako. Gusto ko aesthetic. Aesthetic na ano. Thank you so much. See you again. It's not tomorrow, it's later because it's 23. 24 already. Bye-bye. Thank you. I love you. See you tomorrow. I see you later. See you later, Kay. Thank you so much, mahal.